So here is my vacuum. This is the on button, higher speed. I've been using it, and it does have a light down here. This comes off. It comes with 2 attachments. You can charge the battery with this whole thing or take just the battery off. To empty it, you just hold this open over the trash. This goes up and down, and you can take this off and put the attachments to this piece so you have a longer piece. I have been using this for a couple months and I love it. Highly, highly recommend.
Here is the little vacuum that could. I love this little vacuum. It is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's rechargeable. This battery comes off. Power button. And then you got high and low. You got the 2 different speeds. Attachments. Floor attachment. This thing works awesome. Awesome. Duster attachment. This thing works awesome. All amazing. I love this little product. It's great.
That's a good look at it.